You're ready to publish your ebook, but you're stuck in the cover and formatting. Okay, look no further. In this video, I'll be showing you how to design a stunning ebook, how to design a stunning book cover, and format your ebook like a pro. Setting up a book cover and formatting your book properly is one important aspect that cannot be overemphasized because your book cover is actually the first selling point of your book. If your book cover is not attractive enough, I believe you me, it might stay in that shelf for many years and it will only be there gathering dust. So it's very essential that when writing an ebook, you pay utmost attention to the book cover because the book cover determines how much sales you'll get, how much review you'll get, so that your book or your time and effort to create that book will not just go into the air. So let's dive into this video and see how we can make a very good attractive book cover and format our ebook properly so that we can sell on different marketplaces. So for this video, we'll be making use of our Canva and Amazon KDP calculator. Both are free. You can use your Canva free version to design your ebook cover. You can as well use your Amazon KDP cover calculator. It's free. So those are the two basic tools we are going to use for this video. So before we continue designing, we have to go to, it's very essential you look for books pertaining to what you are writing on so that you will do something similar to what is already in existence. So looking at this, we can see different book covers on parenting. Okay, you can see this parenting, getting it right. Okay, impossible parenting. Um, Welcome to the club. 100 parenting milestones you never saw coming. The power of a praying parent. This is wonderful. Okay, so you just go through different. This one says unconditional parenting. So looking at these different book covers that is already existing, so we have to now go and create our own. So we just have to choose. Let me choose one of these books to see how far we can go to create. Okay, let's look at this. The power of a parenting, the power of a praying parent. So we need to do is to go to Amazon KDP cover book calculator. So we'll go to, let's click on this. So this is the first and foremost thing you need to do. This is where you calculate your cover book. You get the appropriate size of the template. So when you come here, you click on we are doing a paperback, we're not doing a hardcover. So we click on a paperback, interior type, we'll select a black and white. Okay, paper type, we'll click on white paper. Reading direction, we'll click on left to right. So measurement, it will be in inches. Trim size. Okay, so let's assume our book is going to be a 6 by 9 or 6 times 9 inches. So we'll click on that. Now the number of pages. Okay, so let's go for 100 pages. 100 pages. Now you click on calculate dimension. So this will give you this. So you can see this now. Full cover, front cover, save area, bleeding. Okay, the bleed and the margin. Okay, in this book, I also make in this video, I'll make emphasis on two different aspects. So we can now download this template. By the time we download this template, we'll go over, take this 12.475, 12.475. Okay, so we create 12 point, sorry, I'll have to change this to inches. Then 12.475. Okay, so our height is a 9.25, 9.25. So we click on create new design. So here is the design for our template. So we'll now have to go back to Canva. Let's go back to Amazon KDP. Let's take the destin. Already I've gone to this end. I've downloaded this. You can see this. I downloaded it after downloading it from my destin now. Canva from my Amazon KDP calculator. So I have uploaded this. So if you're doing this, you click on upload file so you can see this. In fact, I have uploaded so many of it. So here we are. You can see this is by now. Now what we'll do, we have to pull this out for it to cover the entire measurements. Okay. Now click on this shape. You position it to take a full. Now be mindful of the spine and this other trim area. Okay, and I put this down. Good. So I start designing. So from what we saw in Amazon KDP, this our front paper now, our front cover. So I will decide to give it intentional parenting. That will be the title. Let me change this to a pink. I'll click on the color. So let's take something like a blue. So it's too bright. I will have to duplicate this. We'll type in children. Okay, let me type in for the sake of this work. Children playing with their parents. Children playing with their parents. And I guess I've chosen this image initially. So I crop this and I fit it into the front page. Okay. So fit it into the front page. Then I'll go back to elements still. Or let's test. Add a heading. So intentional. The topic or the title of this book is going to be intentional parenting. So I type intentional separately. Intentional. Okay. So I'll go take parent. So for the modeling, let's bring it down a little. Bring it down. Okay, modeling the right attitude, right, modeling the right attitude. We want this to be in a single line. Okay, so bring this down. Modeling the right attitude. This likewise in a single line. Okay, I have to delete this and retype. Do as I do, not as I say. So bring it down a little. To reduce the font. Okay, so increase the font. So let's leave this top a little. Leave this up. Good. And let's work on this first name. So we'll come over to test. Let's just okay, let's take Ann Taylor and Taylor. So this is the name of the author. We just put it here. I guess this is okay like this. Okay, let's add this and see how it will look. So let's generate. Okay. So So I use Magic Write to generate the write-up at the back. Now, Magic Write is a feature in Canva that is only for those with the Pro version. So Magic Write functions like the ChatGPT. It can generate whatever you write. All you just need to do is to give your prompt. So I just give a prompt on writing a summary of intentional parenting. Now, this is what it gave me. So we'll start working on the spine of the book from here. Okay, so we'll go over to elements, we pick a shape. Okay, fit it into the spine and adjust it. It should be a 9 height and 0.225 for the width. Okay, so we'll fit it into the spine space. While fitting it in, we make sure that the size is corresponding. 9 height and 0.225 width. Then we change the color to suit the book. So we'll keep working around this. We'll go to text, type in a text box, we write the name of the author on the spine. Okay, so I'll write the name of the author, fit it into the spine, rotate it, and make sure it fits in appropriately into the spine. Okay, so we can see our book is our back cover is ready. So we'll just keep working around it until it fits in properly. Okay, we can see it now. The name of the author is already in the spine. So with this, the back cover of book is ready. I would adjust it, keep adjusting, just to make sure there is no place showing white. I'll delete this. Since I've gotten my spine and other areas, I will remove that and delete it. Okay, so with this, our book is our cover paper is ready. So we'll keep working around this until we make sure that everything is in the right position, everything is properly placed to avoid any kind of space, unnecessary space. And this thing cover paper is properly placed. I'm adjusting this to fit to the top. Okay, so we'll just keep working around it and position everything properly to avoid any white, any space showing white. So with this, our cover paper is ready. So we'll move over to the next video. In the next video, we are going to start formatting the interior. So with this, I will save this and over to my next video where I will format the interior. So I'll go ahead and download this. So if this video has added any value to you, please do like, share, subscribe, and go on over to the next video to watch how we'll format the interior of our book. Thank you for watching.
Splashing, laughing, free as air, joyful moments everywhere. By the river, heart so light.